and welcome to this Compliance Pod video. In this video, I'll show you how to create and edit your reports in Asset Manager. Whenever implementing Asset Manager, it's always very important to remember that reporting is the main reason that Asset Manager exists. Without considering your reporting needs, you could end up with a database of asset information that sits there with no real purpose. In our example here, when running the IT disposals done in 2021 report, you need to ensure that you have the relevant fields to allow you to run this report. In our case, it's the disposal date field. If that field did not exist, we wouldn't be able to report on it. All reports can be exported in different formats, including Excel and CSV. To create a new report, go to Manage and then Reports. Here you'll see all of your reporting categories. At the bottom, you can create a new report by selecting which report type you would like. An asset value report tots up the monetary value of your assets. The last updated report tells you when assets were last updated, and in this video we'll use the custom type. Then we can select the most appropriate category for this new report. Click Add a Report to start. First of all, we'll add a title. Then select all the fields which will appear on our report. Think of each field as a column in an Excel spreadsheet. You can scroll through the list with your mouse, or you can type a part of the field name to find it. Once you've done that, click Submit to save your changes. You can see that Request Report is greyed out, and we cannot yet run the report because we haven't yet added criteria to our report. To add criteria, select which asset field you want to use. I'm first selecting asset types that match service agreements. And when doing so, select and/or options below to make sure that the subfolders are also included. Click Update Criteria to save your changes. Next, I'm selecting End Date. And then any date that is less than the 1st of January 2023. I can now request the report. This report now shows me all the assets that are in the service agreement asset type and where the end date is less than the 1st of January 2023. Once the report has run, I can then export to Excel if I prefer to use Excel. The report will now live in the Finance Report category, and I can run it whenever I need to until I no longer need it and it can be deleted. I now want to make changes to my new report. Go to Asset Manager, Manage, and then Reports. We can go to our Finance category, scroll down to find our report. Click the title of the report to make changes to it. I want to add more information, so I can add annual cost and total cost to my report. Click Submit to save your changes. I also want to add total cost as a criteria. Search for total cost and then click Add Criteria. Now I can add my criteria where the total cost is greater than £9,999 and click Update Criteria, and we're done. When I click Request Report, my new criteria have worked, and I can now also see annual cost and total cost fields that have been added to my report. Thanks very much for watching, and get in touch today if you want to see how Compliance Pod can help you and your organisation.